everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see solution of chapter number 1 super senses from question number 6. In the last video we completed the solution till question number 5. So let's begin. Question number 6, answer the following questions. Number 1, what do animals do with their senses? Answer. Animals also have various senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell, and also feel emotions. Many animals can see their food from a great distance. Many animals can hear the faintest of sounds. Moreover, many animals can recognize their friends just by the sense of smell. Number 2, how do birds give different signals to alert about danger? Answer. Birds also give such warning calls in case they sense danger. They have a different call to warn about danger. They may have one note to sound the alarm for an airborne predator like a hawk, and another note for a land predator like cat. Now, number 3, give examples of animals that may have a very strong sense of sight. Answer. Point number 1, example of animals which with strong sense of sight are tiger, eagles, kites, hawks and vultures. Number 2, examples of animals with strong sense of hearing. Answer. Dogs, elephants, bats, tigers. Number 3, examples of animals with strong sense of smell. Answer. Dogs, ants and silkworms. Question number 4, is a smell good or foul for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? Answer. No. Many people do not like fragrance of a perfume we like. In the same way, many people do not think that the smell of onions which we do not like is bad. So, the good or the foul smell depends on how each one feels about it. Number 5, state 2 reasons for dangers to tigers in the jungle. Point number 1, hunters kill tigers thoughtlessly for their claws, teeth and furry hide. Hide means skin. Point number 2, forests are being cut, so tigers are losing their natural habitat. That is why there is danger to the existence of tigers in the jungle. Now, question number 6, when do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? Answer. Point number 1, if gas leaks in the kitchen or is left on by mistake, then our sense of smell alert us about it and we rush to switch it off. Point number 2, we can recognize stale or spoiled food by its bad smell. Point number 3, if an animal or a human being has died in a closed room, the bad smell that starts alerts us about it. Point number 4, if the food cooking on the gas stove is burning, our sense of smell alerts about it too. Now, question number 7, what is the meaning of national park? Name 4 national parks of Gujarat. Answer. Places wherein natural vegetation, wild animals, birds, natural beauty and important national areas are protected are known as national parks. Now, national parks of Gujarat are number 1, the Gir National Park in Sansar Gir. Number 2, Kalyar National Park in Velavadar. Number 3, the Marine National Park in Bay of Kutch. Number 4, the Vasanda National Park in Navsari are the famous national park of Gujarat. Now, answer as asked. Number 1, write the names of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you don't like. So let's see. First, I like the smell of number 1, fragrance of rose and jasmine. Number 2, aroma of good tasty food. Number 3, fragrance of perfumes. Number 4, fragrance of wet mud. Number 5, fragrance of incense stick. Then I do not like the smell of number 1, bad smell of dirty trash, bad smell of cow dung. Number 3, bad smell of open sewer. Number 4, bad smell of gas that leaks. Number 5, bad smell of fish. Now, number 2, are human beings also a threat to animals? How? Answer. Human beings hunt animals illegally. They trade various parts of animals' bodies just for fun, to earn livelihood, for the greed of earnings more money, etc. For all this human beings kill animals thoughtlessly. Moreover, for their own housing and other business, human beings cut down forests so animals' habitat and food are snatched away. This is how such activities of human beings prove dangerous for the existence of animals. Now, number 8, classify the following animals into those whose ears can be seen and those whose ears cannot be seen. So, animals are cat, peacock, fish, deer, crocodile, rabbit, elephant, cow, pigeon, lizard, kite, tiger. Now, let's categorize them. Animals whose ear can be seen are cat, deer, rabbit, elephant, cow, tiger. Then animals whose ears cannot be seen are peacock, fish, crocodile, pigeon, lizard, kite. Now there is an activity. Number 1, looking with one or both eyes. Close your right eye or cover it with your hand. Tell your friends to stand to your right at some distance and ask him or her to do some actions like wave hand, shake head, etc. Now question number 1, could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Answer, no, I could not see my friend's action without moving my neck. Number 2, now, without moving your neck, try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open. Answer, I can see my friend's action with both my eyes open and without moving my neck. Number 3. What was the difference between looking with one and with both eyes? Answer, with one eye, I could see only on the side of the open eye, whereas with both eyes open, I could see on both sides even without moving my head. Now, question number 2. Now, toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Answer, it was easier to catch the small ball or coin with both my eyes open. Now, question number 3, try this. For this activity, find a quiet place in your school. Tell one of your friends to stand at a short distance and ask him or her to say something softly. The rest of you should listen to it carefully. Then all of you put your hands behind your ears as shown in the picture. Now ask the same child to say something again as softly as before. In this case, what was the sound sharper? Ask your friends too. Answer, when we did this activity in both ways, the sound was sharper when we had our hands behind our ears. All my friends could also hear the sound more clearly when they had their hands behind their ears. Number 4, put your hands over your ears and say something. Can you hear on your own voice? Answer, yes, I can hear my own voice. Now, hot question. Number 1, which of the following animal have a very sharp and long range of vision? Answer, D, eagles. Number 2, why do many birds have to move their neck from side to see? Answer is B, because their neck is fixed and cannot move. Actually, answer is C, because their eyes are fixed and do not move. Okay, answer is not B, answer is C. Put tick mark on C and write C in the box. Because their neck is not fixed, their eyes are fixed. Okay, so answer is C. Then number 3, which of the following animals have small holes in place of ears? Answer is A, parrots. Number 4, which animal goes into a long deep sleep during the winter season? Answer is C, a lizard. Number 5, animals and their useful body parts are given below. Which of the given pair is incorrect? Answer is C, tiger, leather. Now why this option is correct? Because leather is not a body part. Okay, leather is a product that is made from tiger's skin. Okay, so answer is C, tiger, leather. So here we complete our chapter number 1. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.